Hello everyone, it's me Caroline. It's been a really long time and this video is gonna be, I mean, I don't know, I feel I was a little awkward but I'm just a little rusted I guess. So yeah, you've probably seen by the title. This is my you don't have any Halloween look planned. It's an inspired look from the chilling of Sabrina on the new show on Netflix about the teenage witch Sabrina. And I really liked the look of the Academy witches. I haven't finished this series yet because I don't know, it's a bit slow, and so keep watching if you want to see how I did this. My hairstyle, I don't even know. Like, I did what I could with my short hair, and yeah. I'm glad to be back. Keep watching. I mean, I'm gonna have to cut so much stuff. Well, I don't know why I put myself through this type of stress. I have many other video ideas, but it's Halloween tonight, and I wanted to do a little makeup tutorial, and I think that some chatty video like this, it allows me to talk to you a little while I do some other stuff, because I didn't want to do a video entirely dedicated to talking about why I was gone. Now I'm back. I think there's so many video of this type already. So I started watching the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, and I didn't finish yet because it's a little bit slow, so I think I should do something while doing it. But I really like the style of the witches, and I think that that the Academy witches, and I think that if you don't have a costume plan for tonight, like, this is super simple. I've tried looking at pictures or even going back and watching the episodes, but like, it's strange. There's this effect on the camera, so many of the time that you see the witches in the background, they're like, you can't see them. So from what I gathered, I mean, you see the principal, the main witch, I would say, quite often, but that's not the look I'm going for. So I pieced a few elements together, and basically there's a black lip and a black smoky eye with a little bit of gold and gold highlight in the inner corner. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna take my skin tone color to put on the brow bone so it helps me blend. With black you really have to be careful, because if it grabs on the eyeshadow primer, it can be hard to blend. So I'm taking, it's a golden color. It's, how can I describe it? It's not a yellow gold, it's more like neutral gold. And I'm putting it, oh well, I'm placing it in the crease. Then I'm taking a little angle brush and I'm taking a black eyeshadow. This one is quite, it's not as pigmented as some other black shadows, so it's easier to blend. So I guess you could, like, it's so easy to make this kind of costume. You just need like black dress or black nightgown, and if you have a white Peter Pan color it like it's perfect. Just wear some black lipstick and do some black and gold eye makeup look. You can go for any shape, I think, if it's more rounded or more cat eye. The main witch at the academy has some kind of blown out V shape. It's really pretty, but I wanted something a little more wearable. So I'm starting by shaping a little cat eye, but I'm going to go and blend it towards the lid. So I'm taking a flat brush to put gold also on my lid, because with black it's really easy to get really dark, and I want something to blend it in. I don't have any plans for tonight. I'm probably just gonna watch some horror movie with my partner. I just finished last weekend The Haunting of Hill House and I loved it so much. I mean, it's a ghost story, but it's so much more about the characters and trauma and childhood trauma and coping, family. I mean, that was really nice. It's scary, but not. Sometimes I feel like horror movie are, I mean, they just want to scare you. I guess that's the point, but I need to feel something for the characters, and that was really, really good. I think I could smoke it a little more. Maybe put some black on the lower lash line. I think the main part of this look is more the black lip. I have been wanting to film for quite a while now, and I missed it a lot. But I guess it's just starting, and it's it's that I guess I see the old picture and I was afraid that it was gonna be too much work and that I'm gonna put too much pressure on myself. But one step at a time, you know? Just start and do baby steps. You could wear a wing with this, but I don't know. I felt like pencil and smoking it out. So I take back my angle brush and diffuse this a little. Also, I know my audio is not the best. I'm recording with my phone mic, and I hope to be able to buy a camera mic soon, but I don't have the money for the moment. And I know it sucks that the sound isn't the best quality. So I'm also putting a little bit of black eyeliner in the waterline, but only on the outer corner, because I want to leave the center part more open. Before putting any mascara on, I'm just gonna put a little concealer. And I also like to put it there because sometimes when I blend my eyeshadow, it makes a shadow there and it makes my eye look a little more turned down. So I'm not a fan of this creme concealer from Kat Von D. I think, I don't know, it's not the easiest to blend. It dries really, really fast. But it's nice that they have very light colors. So, almost done. I'm just gonna do my brows and mascara. I mean, do those steps as you would normally. I really like a easy brow routine. And And finally, mascara. So before even doing my cheeks, highlighter, bronzer, etc., I'm gonna do the lips because yeah, I think it's gonna be easier to gauge how much to put on my cheeks. So because it is a black lip, I'm gonna use a lip brush. So you have to take your time with dark lips like this, cause yeah, it's less forgiving. Now that I drew the outline, I'm gonna go directly with the lipstick. So I would get a little something something. I'm just gonna bronze and contour at the same time. Just a tiny bit, maybe my nose a little, and yeah, it's gonna be it for now. I really have been enjoying cream products a lot this summer and this winter too. I think it's so easy to blend and it looks natural. I usually wear a dust rose blush. This one is a little pinker, but I think it's gonna go well with the black look. Also, another thing I have been loving doing lately is putting a little blush under my nose. And you know what? I know it's not the makeup look of those witches, but Jacqueline de Leon, which is an illustrator I love a lot, does blush a little higher on her characters. Also, speaking of illustration, that's what I've been doing those past few months that you haven't been seeing. My boyfriend and I started an Instagram account for illustration, and he does the sketch on paper and I do them on digital art. So I'll put the link right somewhere so you can go take a look. And finally, for highlights, I was thinking of more of a champagne highlight. Oh well, some trucks. And of course, in the inner corner as a base, so my other highlight will stick to it and be even more bright. Sorry for the noise, but I'm not gonna wait. So yeah, the truck is still here, but it should go soon. I would also love to put some highlighter on my brow bone. And for the final highlighter, well, you know what? I decided I could try and film this. I find that often when I do my hair, if I'm not looking, it's easier. But my hair is quite short, so I don't know if I do a braid, will I be able to wrap it around my head? I don't think so. But I'm just gonna do braids and wrap them on the back of my head. I'm growing my bangs out, so this is what you get. So I'm just missing a little white color, it would be so cute. I had a lot of fun doing this and I wanted to do something chill for my comeback on YouTube. So thanks for watching and have a lovely Halloween, have a lovely week. Please tell me in the comments what are your plans, or if it's going out, what is your costume, and if you're staying in, what movie are you gonna watch? So take care and I'll see you very soon.